Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to talk about Substrate, so iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called City of Substrate, and this is the tweak that we need to have on our device, depending on what jailbreak you have. So if you have the iOS, well, not the iOS, but if you have Unc0ver, that uses Substitute. If you have Checkra1n, that uses City of Substrate, which is just right here. If you guys do have like Cool Star jailbreaks, I know Electra is for iOS 11. If you guys have like Torrent, or the other one that Odyssey, either one, Torrent, iOS 14 jailbreak, Odyssey, iOS 13 jailbreak from Cool Star. They use like lib something else, lib hooker or something like that they use, so they don't even use this. But City Substrate, guys, was originally from Jailbreak. So he left the jailbreak scene. I'm not sure he does some updates every now and then, but he pretty much left the jailbreak scene. But he's the one who created Cydia, and he's the god himself. Basically, City Substrate is what we need to just for the Checkra1n jailbreak, and before, I think it used to be like every jailbreak, but what we need to have in order for jailbreak tweaks to communicating, I guess, work fine. So the latest update fits support for iOS 14.5. So obviously, and then yeah, Checkra1n was actually updated to support iOS 14.5 jailbreak. So you guys could jailbreak on iOS 14.5 if you have Checkra1n, if your device is compatible with the Checkra1n jailbreak, and this Substrate was updated to work with iOS 14.5. This is called Meredith Tint System Wide Color Changer. So you see, change your tint system white colors, 74 cents for about 8 weeks of work. This tweet is called Little 12, brings iPhone's features and more to devices running iOS 14. This tweet is called Link Identity Editor and Posado Code Sign Macro Files. This tweet is called Tiny Banners 2, and it lets you remove those annoying and big notifications from iOS and replace them with tiny ones. This tweet is called Substitute. This is what Unc0ver uses. So supports iOS 14.5. This tweet is called Summer Pro, a package that includes more than 100 mods for iOS. This tweet is called Type Status 2. Everyone can tell someone else to type an iMessage, or you can read iMessage you sent from wherever you are. So this tweak will actually, I believe it shows up on your, yes, I think it shows up. It allows you to enable to type in and read receipts notifications per contact basis. So yeah, so you can basically change, if to allow someone. The read receipts are already a thing, but you can't disable typing. So, in other words, when you're typing somebody, you can get rid of that typing, so they can't even see that you're typing. This tweak is called OpenSSH, and it's a secure shell SSH server for secure access from remote machines. A lot of people asked about the tweak lib hooker from Cool Star, general purpose injection and hooking library for 64-bit devices. Apparently, does not need an update for iOS 14.5 since it already works out of the box on that version. So if you're using an Odyssey RAIN, use the updated script. This tweet is called Chat Bubbles Messenger Extension and Chat Bubbles Messenger Extension. This is called GitHub CLI, GitHub Command Line Tool. GH is GitHub on the command line. This is called Tally. Tally shows the size of an app from its 3D touch menu. This is called Skip Lock and automatically unlock devices when waking screen. This is called Lens 2, Ultimate iDevice Customization for iOS 14 and up. This is called Lens 2 application, just the app for the Lens 2. And there's also Lens 2 localizations, language support for Lens 2 tweak. This is called Killets Pro, one swipe to kill them all. This is called Switch Style, and compatible with iOS 12 13, customized switch colors. This tweet is called Switch Shades, brings color to the app switcher based on the app icon with a nice color transition while scrolling. This tweet is called Finger Lock, best way to unlock your device. So it adds awesome features to your lock screen. Convenient way to unlock your device. This tweak is called Magsafe, Magsafe charge indicator, just like for iOS 14. You get that, I believe, like iOS 13 and maybe iOS 12. This tweak is called Centaur and applicable switches makes your battery one useful. This tweak is called Centaur. Imagine your notification center, so it's sleek modeling and redesign for your control center, support all iPhones, iOS 11 and 12. This tweak is called Symbols. Version 3.0, add easy access to Apple's SF symbols. This tweet is called Xenia. And have you ever looked at your lock screen and thought this needs more neon? Well, you unlock Xenia does that does that. So simply a beautiful neon lock screen and an unlock button to your lock screen. It's fully customizable, beautiful, simple, and compatibility, and you have support and return policy. And then there's a Xenon Trials. This is the trial version of Xenon tweak. This tweak is called Adblock. This tweak is called Adblock Plus and gives you Adblock. So block ads. So you see Adblock Plus tweets. Ad removes for Circube, YouTube, This is the outdated Adblock, now compatible with iOS 4, 5, 6. Adblock blocks ads in Safari. This is called Weatherdate, adds weather info text under the lock screen date. This is called Nets Alarm, that's alarm 14. Shows the Nets Alarm today or tomorrow only in the status bar.